Hey guys, what's going on? It's Doombreaker again, and I'm here with another video for you guys. So today we are going to start a brand new series. This is going to be Visual Basic, the basics. I'm going to show you how to program a lot of different stuff, from the basic stuff to the more advanced stuff. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download the development kit or the compiler that you see here. I'm also going to show you how to make a new project, and I'm also going to show you what the different windows are. So to start off, you go to Google and you just type in download Visual Basic, and you just click this link. It's pretty easy. Then you wait. So as you can see, we have Visual Studio 2012 trial software. We're just going to skip that, and we want the Express edition, so you can just download this one for Windows 8 or for web or whatever. But since I'm using 2010, we're going to download the Visual Studio 2010 Express, and then we go to Visual Basic, choose your language. I recommend English because I'm going to use English, and then you can just install now or whatever. So once you've done that and you installed everything and you open up Visual Basic, your window will look like this. So to start a new project, you are going to click this. To open a project, you're going to click this or the project file that you made. Recent projects are going to be here, and everything else can be ignored. So let's start a new project. This can take a while. That was pretty fast. So you have some choices here. We are always going to use Windows Form application because it's the most easy thing and it's pretty basic. Later on we are going to go over all this, but for now we are going to do a Windows Form application. So we are just going to call it Hello YouTube, and we are going to click OK. Now wait for it. Wait for it. This can take a while depending on what you're doing. So this is the basic form that you get. This is the startup form. So I'm going to go over the different windows. So right here on the right, you have the Solution Explorer. This consists of all code, all forms, all stuff that you made in your project, and also your project with the properties. So this is something that we are going to use a lot. This is the properties window, also very important. If I click on the form here, you are going to see all kinds of properties that you can change about the form. So if I change the text here to YouTube, you are going to see that my form here is going to display YouTube. You can change the icon, you can delete this and this, you can make it transparent, you can do all kinds of stuff. So that's the properties window. Then on the left here we have the Database Explorer, which is something we are not going to use in the first few tutorials. So for now on you can just ignore that. Then we have the toolbox, which is also very important. This consists of all kinds of tools that you can use in your project. So for example, if I want a button, you go to all Windows Forms. This is the easiest one. You can also find it right here, but I always use all Windows Forms. Then go to button and just drag it in like that. And as you can see, I also have some properties for the button. I can change the text to whatever. So this is the button. Then over here, I'm not sure if you are going to see this, but you can also add and remove buttons if you want to. This is the save button. This will save your current thing. So I'm now working on form 1. If I click this, it's going to save that. If I click save all, it's going to save everything in my project, which is pretty obvious. So let's save this. It's going to come up with this box. This is the first time you save. You need a name for it, so I'm just going to call it Hello YouTube. It's in this path, and this is the solution name. So if I click save now, my project is now saved and I can open it in the future. So this is also a very important button. This is the debug button. If I click this, it's going to run the program. So let's wait now. So this is now my program. I can click the button, but nothing is going to happen since we haven't coded anything yet. And this is the stop button to stop debugging. Then some more stuff that might be important is the code. If I click this or press F7, you can go to the code, or you can right click here and view code, or you can just double click the form and go to the code, whatever. Then we have project. This is if you want more than one form, you can just click that. Call it form 2, for example. Leave it at Windows form and add. So now we have 2 different forms. But if I debug it, it's going to go to form 1. And to open form 2, you have to code some stuff, but I'm going to teach you that in next tutorial. Now, build is also something pretty important. So if you want to build it, you can go here, build, or you can go to debug, build Hello YouTube. If you build it, which I'm going to do now, you can go to your documents and go down to Visual Studio 2010, projects, Hello YouTube, hello YouTube, hello YouTube. So this is the project file that you are going to open when you want to open your project again. So yeah, hello YouTube, bin, release, and now we have an application here, which is basically our application. So this is what build does. It just builds the application. Now for the last part of this tutorial, I'm going to go over the properties quickly. So you just right click your project name in the Solution Explorer and go to properties, or press Alt Enter. So here we can see a lot of different stuff. So we have the assembly name, so the name of your program, what kind of thing it is, just leave it at that. The startup form, so if we change that to form 2, close it, save all, and press debug, it's going to open form 2, as you can see here. So that's just the form that is going to start whenever you start your project, your program. Sorry. Then the assembly information. This is just the version, the company you work for, copyright stuff, all that. If I go to I closed my documents. If I go to my project again, projects, hello YouTube, right here, and go to the application, I go to properties. I'm not sure if it's properties. Alright, whatever. You can see who made the program and what company they work for and stuff like that. So the compile is just some advanced stuff. I'm going to go over that in a different tutorial. Also settings is for a different tutorial. So thank you guys for watching the very first episode of Visual Basics, the Basics, and I see you guys all in part 2 hopefully, and keep on coding. See you guys next time.